like and there's no wildlife. I see something like a snake or something right there. I think I'm going the wrong way. Hopefully I'm not lost. Whoops. So can you? I'm trying to talk to the chat GPT, like I said. Stupid. Hello, can you hear me? Poor connection. He said, "Now you can hear me." I was trying to ask you a question. Can you hear me? Hello? There's nothing but mud. Hello? Connection failed. Hello? Get out of here. I think I lost. Hopefully not. That'd be a fucking crazy scene. I get lost. Away from the trees. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Nope. Getting bad connection. Freaking horrible. Oh, that's not like a fourth time. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Are you there? Are you there? Are you there? Hello?
I'm right here. If there's anything you need or if you want to chat about anything at all, just let me know. I'm always here to help.
Oh. So there's no connection in the freaking woods. Sadly.
No worries at all. If there's anything you want to talk about or if you have any questions, I'm here. Just let me know.
I wonder if they have a bathroom up in that. I had to use the bathroom.
I hope there's a bathroom nearby for you. If you need to take a break, go right ahead. I'll be here whenever you're ready to continue our chat.
Welcome to our human.
I'm here for whatever you need. If you have any more questions, thoughts, or just want to chat about something fun, feel free to let me know.
Can you tell me what type of scriptures you have for like scenery for woods?
Absolutely. There's some really beautiful scriptures that reflect the peace and beauty of nature in the woods. One that often comes to mind is Psalm 96:12, which says, "Let the fields be jubilant and everything in them. Let all the trees of the forest sing for joy." It's a lovely reminder of how nature itself is full of life and praise. Another one is Psalm 104:24, which highlights the beauty of God's creation. "How many are your works, Lord? In wisdom you made them all. The earth is full of your creatures." These verses are perfect for reflecting on the serenity and beauty of the woods.
Do you have any more?
Of course, there are plenty of beautiful verses that capture the essence of nature and the woods. Another lovely one is Isaiah 55:12, which says, "You will go."
Sorry, go ahead.
No worries at all. Here's that verse from Isaiah. No worries. If you'd like to hear more verses or chat about anything else, just let me know. I'm always here to help.
Yes, I would.
Great. Here are a few more verses that beautifully capture the essence of nature and the woods. Psalm 19:1-2. "The heavens declare the glory of God. The skies proclaim the work of his hands. Day after day they pour."
Go ahead, please.
"To the beauty and wonder of all creation, including the forests." Jeremiah 17:7-8. "But blessed is the one who trusts in the Lord, whose confidence is in him. They will be like a tree planted by the water. It sends out its roots by the stream. It does not fear when heat comes. Its leaves are always green." This verse uses the imagery of a strong, well-rooted tree.
Go ahead.
I'm glad you enjoyed. Absolutely. Here's another one that you might find inspiring. Psalm 1:3. "That person is like a tree planted by streams of water, which yields its fruit in season and whose leaf does not wither. Whatever they do prospers." This verse beautifully. No worries at all. If you ever want more verses or just want to chat about something else.
Right now I'm in the bathroom, sorry. It's almost a freaking row. Toss on the phone.